Hello students, today we are on the last topic, that is redressal agencies. For the redressal of consumers' grievances, the Consumer Protection Act has set up three-tier machinery, that is District Forum, State Commission and National Commission. District Forum, when claim does not exceed rupees 20 lakhs. State Commission, when claim exceed 20 lakhs but less than 1 crore. And National Commission, when claim exceeds 1 crore. So, moving on to the redressal agencies, we need to understand that how these are working, where they are working, and how we will be getting the benefit if we are feeling that we are being cheated. Question here is where to go? In the District Forum, in the State Commission or in the National Commission. So here let us understand the concept of redressal agencies. If we talk about on the basis of this has been divided into three parts. First one is District Forum. In every district you will find this forum. If you feel that you are cheated and the amount of cheating is up to 20 lakhs, you will move on to this forum. On a plain paper, you can make your complaint. How the committee is being formed? There is a committee which is working for the benefit of the consumers. There is one president and two other members. Only two other, out of which one has to be women. It means one man and one women. So, one woman and one man. So, president plus two. In case of State Commission, it is in one state. In every district you find it. Here in state you will find a commission. This is the second part or second type. This was District Forum, State Commission and National Commission. This is three-tier system, three levels. Here you will find one president and two members, in which one has to be women. Third one is National Commission. Here you will find one president and four members, and from out of these four members one has to be a woman. In this the committee is constituted. So after understanding, this committee is approved by who? Who is taking care for the approval of it? Here the state government, here also the state government, but here you need to take this approval from the central government. In case of claim, as a consumer you are facing a problem and your claim is up to 20 lakhs. You will not move directly to the National Commission. There are steps, there is hierarchy. You have to follow it. So if the limit of your claim is up to 20 lakhs, you will go to District Forum. If it is more than 20 but up to 1 crore, more than 20 but up to 1 crore, you will go to State Commission. As soon as the limit crosses 1 crore, you move on to National Commission. So based on the claim limit, you will decide and you will move on to the redressal agency. Last one, suppose if you have appeal here and you are not satisfied with the solution or the judgment given by the committee, you are not satisfied. What can be done? You will sit at home? No. You will move on to the next one. What is that next higher level? That is, if you are not satisfied here in the District Forum, now you can move on to State Commission. So further appeal can be made to State Commission. And this, if the person is not satisfied here, he can move on to the National Commission. And if National Commission people are not satisfied, those consumers are not satisfied, what they will do? They will move on to the Supreme Court. And the work is done. But when you can file a complaint? Suppose you are not feeling that you are being cheated, you are not satisfied with the product and you are moving on to that person and you are asking, you have done wrong to me. need a remedy to it. The person is saying I cannot do anything. So from the purchase date, within 30 days, you can file your complaint according to the amount of claim. According to the amount of claim, you can move on from the purchase date within 30 days of it. Then only you can, if 5 years back something happened wrong to you and today you are thinking that I should go to court, you will not get any benefit out of it. So even this topic is very, very important. Go through it and revise it. Last topic is relief or remedies available to consumers. What type of remedies are being provided to you? If the consumer court or redressal agencies is satisfied about the genuineness of the complaint, it can grant one or more of the following relief to the aggrieved party. And what are they? Number 1, to remove the defect in goods or deficiency in services, to replace defective goods with a new non-defective product, then to refund the price paid to the product or the charges paid on the services. Next, to pay reasonable compensation for the loss or injury suffered by the consumer due to the negligence of the opposite party. Next is to pay punitive damages in appropriate circumstances, to discontinue even unfair and restricted trade practices, and they are not going to repeat it in future. Next is not to offer hazardous goods for sale, to withdraw hazardous goods from the market, to stop manufacturing of hazardous goods and offering of hazardous services, to issue corrective advertisement to neutralize the effect of the misleading advertisement, and last, to pay adequate cost to the appropriate party. By this, the chapter is over. The chapter is quite easy. Go through it, revise it, learn it. But it is quite important from the consumer's point of view, because we all are consumers. From that point of view, you should know that how the consumer should feel protected and what rights are given to us. Before that, we should know our responsibilities also, how we can move on to these redressal agencies, and what type of remedies are also available to us. And are we in the category of consumer? If yes, then surely we should use this act, apply this act appropriately. I hope you have understood. Good luck.